In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of lighting control with Josh. To effectively access lights, tap the microphone icon in the bottom right-hand corner and give a command like "Turn on the gym lights." Once the command is executed, select the Show Lights button to display a view of the lights that were just activated. From this screen, select specific light loads to adjust brightness levels with precision. To modify the light intensity, simply move the main slider upwards to brighten or downwards to dim the lights. To quickly switch lights on or off, use the toggle button located at the top of the controller. With colored lighting, the controller becomes a bit more sophisticated, but still remains user-friendly. Let's pick one of our colored lights to see the limitless possibilities of adjusting lighting temperature, saturation, and more. At the base of the controller, there are two tabs, White and Color. The White tab enables access to modify the color temperature and vibrancy, while the Color tab allows for adjustments to the color hue and saturation. To control lighting by room or area, return to the main dashboard and choose the Areas view. Next, select the specific area or room to manage. For instance, let's pick the primary bedroom. At the top of the room level view, the light slider adjusts the room's overall brightness. Slide it right for maximum brightness or left to dim. You are also able to manage lights through the control page. First, navigate to the home screen and select the control view. Then, select the Lights button. Every light across the property is instantly accessible. Toggle them all on or off with the buttons at the top of the page. For more precise control, choose a room to adjust its lighting or select individual fixtures for granular management. We trust this guide on lighting control was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.